How to fix iPhone camera not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone's camera not working. So let's get started. Now there can be many reasons why your iPhone camera is not working. The first reason can be your iPhone's OS getting too old or you not getting it updated. So for that, first open up your settings. After you open up your settings, scroll down till you find the general section, head over to general, and there you should find software update. Head over to software update and check if a software update is available. If it is, just tap on update now and update your software to the latest version. That should fix the issue. Now the second fix is you might just have to remove your camera from the background like this. If you do that, it will just reset, and whenever you try to open up your camera again, it should work just fine, like this. Now, if that does not fix your issue, you might want to force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and long press on your side button. And after you force restart your iPhone, your camera should work just fine. And that is how you fix iPhone's camera not working, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.